Ladies and germs, slow travel journey continues, man. And all I gotta say is curves, curves, and more curves. Those curves, man. Now, complexity of that, well, let me get into that. But before I do, Rich's Method back at it again. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Big up to anybody who has purchased the ebook. So, let's go. Hey, man, the theory of chaos in life, chaos theory. You know, life is just filled with a whole bunch of little tiny movements, right? That at the end of the day creates huge shifts and changes and basically chaos. Just like this marketplace right here. You know, it's a combination of stores, bus stops, whole bunch of vending of different items. But then within this chaos that we're seeing, what do we usually see? Some things that are familiar, some things that are beautiful, some things that are organized, some things that just make sense, right? So just like life, man, you just never know when these curves that life throws you, where it's gonna lead, where it's gonna create some organization, some new adventures, some directions in life that you never saw coming, right? Just curves and shifts everywhere. Now, there used to be times, even in my life, where I would fight these changes and curves and all these different paths that I see life taking me that I thought it should go a different direction. But no more really, man, because what I've realized throughout this entire time is that within this chaos, there's a beauty to it, right? And what is that beauty to this chaos, man? That beauty is that as long as you are headed in a destination and a direction that your gut and instinct tells you, that where you'll end up eventually, even when it seems like it's not going directly where you want, is exactly where you actually need to be. Why do you need to be there? You need to be there to enjoy the journey, man. It turns out that journey, the things that you learn, the things that you experience, both good and bad, that's where life really exposes itself. Where you really get into what life is really about. If you can stop and enjoy the beauty within the chaos, right? And be like, wow, okay, so this is where it was actually I'm supposed to be. This is where I was supposed to be headed. Listen, man, in my own journey, right? Right now in life, I thought where I am right now, as you're seeing, is not where I would have ever ended up. Didn't have a picture of it, never thought about the country, didn't know I would end up meeting a woman who brought enjoyment, excitement, bad times, good times to my life. You know, you just never know, man. Within what seems like chaos sometimes, the beautiful curves that exist and are there for you in life, right? Just like this is a double entendre, right? It's the same thing right here. You got all this craziness, you got some good, you got some bad right here. But then within it, it's a lot of beauty. So just ponder that, man. You know, a lot of times we wait till we're going into a new year to say we want to make changes, or we're going to do this, or we're going to do that. I said, man, start where you are. If you have within your gut that is something that you're supposed to do, a place you're supposed to be, an action you want to take, just make a slight move towards that thing. And even if it seems like it's not working out how you want it to in the moment, guess what? You already changed within that chaos. One little calculation. Who knows where that little calculation is going to take you in life? I want you guys to Google chaos theory. for life, not the mathematics of it, right? It's a complex system of a theory of complex systems that says with one little slight variation, you just never know where things are going to lead to, right? And trying to calculate that, because even within that chaos theory, there's 5 rules. And those rules basically say that even within that, craziness and unpredictability, there's certain repetition, certain order, and how the world, how life, how mathematical problems in life, in the universe, usually reorganizes itself, even within that chaos. And that's where life is, man. So don't wait for the new year. Don't wait for the resolutions. Don't wait for any of that, man. Make a slight little change, and then who knows the adventure and the journey that you will go on and where it'll lead you. And then when you look back, you're like, damn, I didn't even realize it's going to lead here. Just make sure that on the back end, you're moving within enjoyment, you're moving within, good vibes, as people would call it, and you're doing something that you really want to do, right? Oh, that ain't gonna happen every day. It's life. We got life, got stuff we need to take care of and all that. But make sure you stop too and enjoy the journey, because you never know where that journey is gonna lead. And then are you gonna look back and be like, God damn, all that happened, good, bad, and indifferent, just for this other great things to happen in my life. I never thought I would be on YouTube. Never in the plan. I never thought it would be in the Dominican Republic. It was never in the plan. Never thought it would end up in Colombia. It was never in the plan. Go check all those videos out, right? Hell, some plans that I wanted to do. Like, I was like, yo, a couple of days, I'm going to fly out, go back to Brazil. But hey, chaos theory. There goes life. It's throwing a curveball. And something that I wanted to do years ago on a destination that I thought I would actually ended up in that direction, turns out with one little slight change and a couple of things that I might end up going back on that same path. So all the chaos led directly back to organization of a path that I thought I was going to be on 5 years ago. And it feels great, man, because within that time, I've had an incredible journey that I never saw coming. Hey, man, enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the chaos. Don't forget to check the ebook. Go ahead, subscribe, share, comment. And hey, man, let's go get this together. Travel journey continues. Let's go.